In today's video, I will show you how to do CPA marketing without sharing your link, and I will explain to you why this is important. So stay with me carefully until the end of the video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first thing we need to do should go to a website called PDF Drive, and here you have to find popular ebook that has many downloads in a special niche. For example, I just say keto and then press here, and here you can see that there are many ebooks related to keto. Here we can get this ebook completely free. We don't have to do anything, just click here and download, and I can download this ebook, and here you can see the number of downloads, that 66,000 have downloaded this ebook, which means actually this is a good ebook and we can use this. Now I have to enter CPA. You can use any other CPA dependent marketing network, and I have to create a URL liker. And here you can see that I actually have to attach my link here to the PDF Drive ebook, and actually shows the URL liker. And what I really have to do here, click on the templates, and here you can see any of these patterns that I personally like to use. Take a human, and you are not automatic, but it is really important, and this actually increases your conversion rate. People actually do one of these polls to prove that they are really human, not robots, and as I said, you will become your conversion. And when they click here, the full poll can see that provide 4 surveys. You can choose your own country. Just click here on display and managing offers, but I actually hide it, because if you do not choose it, then CPA Grip shows offers in that country, and if you really choose your own suggestion, you will only choose suggestions in a particular country or category. But as I said, if you don't do it, the best suggestions are available shows and only to do. Just click here on save OK, and now we have to click here to get the links, and this link is dependent on my CPA that I have to copy it. I have to put it here because later they will need. Now we have to go to ChatGPT, and here we have to write something like that. Write me an article about keto breakfast and include the recipe article, and press enter. And now ChatGPT actually writes an article for me here. You can see the final guide and the recipe that is attractive. Create a docs. As I said, we don't share your CPA dependent link from big companies. Many large websites do not like CPA marketing, and that's why you have to do. And so I'm here and I go back ChatGPT, copy my title and return to my document, and here now we copy the whole article. So you can see this actually a high quality article, as you can see here. So the next thing to do, and very important, is to go to this website. Here is the manufacturer of QR code. Click here, and here you can see that is scan. It is important, and here you have to click the URL, because I want to look at URL and my content. I actually want to copy the CPA Grip URL liker link here, and then you can see that it automatically creates these QR codes. Click OK. That contains my URL CPA look, and when I click here for download, it will download. This is on my hand, and what I have to do, I actually have to go here in the Google document, and I have to say that you scan QR here, scan QR code to get free. I go back to the PDF drive site, and let me just copy this and stick here. Now I need to add my QR, so we sweep this. When scanning this code, they are automatically redirected to my URL look. What I need to do, should click on the file here and then click here to download and click the PDF document and save. Now I need to share my document on site. One of the best site is SlideShare. You make a completely free account, and the only thing you need to do is upload. You can easily copy the title here and go back here and copy the description here. We choose the following steps, such as the categories and the pieces of the food. When people go here to read the industry and go here to get this instruction, they see this code, and when they scan it, automatically they are guided to the URL locker, and they must confirm that they are human, and you have to complete the pool, and you will start earning a CPA marketing. And what you need to do is need a lot of this industry, as you can have PDF sharing site, then traffic will get more free and get more money with CPA marketing as beginner. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.